Xfinity new live TV plan starts as only $22 per month. Meanwhile, YouTube TV's plan start at a whopping $82 per month. What's the catch? Why is it so cheap? First off, Xfinity doesn't have the same nationwide coverage as YouTube TV, right? Some region will be unavailable. If you click on shop here, you'll be prompted to enter in your address. That's because Xfinity doesn't cover all of the nationwide part of the US, right? YouTube TV, meanwhile, covers everything. So you'll be guaranteed to get YouTube TV no matter what. The second thing is that Xfinity doesn't have as much channel as YouTube TV. YouTube TV is very jam-packed and very complete in terms of channel. That's why it is so expensive. Meanwhile, Xfinity don't have every channel, right? I'm pretty sure they only have a couple of very important channel like sports and news, but other than that, it's very limited, right? Other than that, Xfinity is also known to have a lot of hidden fees, right? So even though it says $20 per month here, you might need to pay some extra stuff for for example, you need to pay for installation, maintenance, things like that. So it'll add up, right? Meanwhile, YouTube TV here, if you see $80, then you'll pay $82. Maybe add in a little tax, but it'll just stay $82 with no hidden fees at all. Of course, with Xfinity is not a TV provider, right? They're an internet provider. So you'll have to choose an internet plan, and then you'll have to add a Now TV entertainment package, and then you'll have to download the Xfinity Stream app on your favorite device. So you'll have to have an Xfinity internet plan first, and then you'll have to get the Now TV entertainment package on top of it, and then you'll have to download an app as well. It's not like you don't have to download an app for YouTube TV. You'll still have to download it, of course, but you don't need any plans for this. You just have to pay the upfront $82 per month, and then that's it. You have the subscription. For Xfinity, it'll be a couple of hoops to jump through first because you'll have to buy an internet plan, but after that you can add a Now TV entertainment package on top of it. Overall, it is cheaper, but of course it'll have less channel, less coverage, and things like that.